Hi everyone! You won't see any new cakes on this channel at the moment because I've been working on a few new special projects. You know what? I feel like this is a YouTube cliche to be so secretive, so I'm just gonna tell you what it is. I'm a judge on a new show called Crime Scene Kitchen on Fox.
Welcome to Crime Scene Kitchen.
America's top bakers investigate a kitchen for clues and must recreate its mystery dessert.
Reveal the crime scene dessert.
It's very exciting. The show is so much fun. It's like a mashup between your favorite crime show and your favorite baking competition show brought together as one. So if you want to check it out, check the description below. I'm also baking up a lot of courses and classes for you guys since I get a lot of questions about baking and cake decorating. I wonder why I get questions about cake decorating. I can't figure that out. I'm really passionate about baking, as you know, and I love teaching. So if you want more information on those courses, guess what? Guess where you can find it? In the description below. I kind of miss doing this. I'll link something over here too. This index finger doesn't know what to do anymore. In the meantime, there are lots and lots and lots of cakes on this channel. So feel free to look around. Let me know what your favorite cakes are below. Mine are mango, Popeye's chicken sandwich, giant bananas, giant chocolate chip cookie, giant hot chili pepper, gumball machine, roasted turkey. Check out my Sir Squeeze cake. I'll be back soon with another update.